Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. If you're someone who loves staying organized while tracking your health journey, you're in the right place. Today I'm introducing a beautifully designed weekly diet and exercise journal that is perfect for keeping your fitness and dietary goals on track for 26 weeks. And guess what? You can get your very own copy. Just check the link in the description below. First, let's talk about the cover. It's absolutely stunning. The design features a refreshing blend of green and pink foliage that immediately gives off a calm and natural vibe, perfect for a journal centered around self-care and health. The title, Weekly Journal, Diet Plus Exercise, is boldly placed on a soft pink background, ensuring it catches your eye without overpowering the aesthetics of the cover. This thoughtful design makes the journal not just functional, but also visually pleasing, something you'll enjoy reaching for every week. Now let's flip to the inside pages. This planner is designed for 26 weeks. Yes, that's 6 months of consistent tracking. The layout for each week is simple and intuitive. There are 2 repeated pages for each week. 1. Diet tracking page. Here you can plan and record your meals for each day of the week, from Monday to Sunday. There's also a dedicated notes section where you can jot down grocery lists, recipes, or any reflections about your diet. 2. Exercise tracking page. Similarly, the exercise page allows you to document your fitness routine. Whether you're doing cardio, strength training, yoga, or even just walking, there's ample space to keep track of your workouts. The notes section here can be used for things like progress updates, motivational quotes, or plans for the next week. These 2 pages repeat for 26 weeks, giving you a structured yet flexible approach to managing your health. Let me highlight some of the key features that make this planner a must-have. Dual functionality. You don't need separate planners for diet and exercise. It's all in one place. Structured layout. The clear, minimal design ensures you can focus on your goals without distractions. Eco-friendly feel. The calming leaf pattern reminds you of nature and staying grounded in your health journey. Generous size. The planner comes in a practical 8.5 by 11-inch format, giving you plenty of room to write while remaining easy to handle. Paperback edition. Lightweight and convenient, this paperback version is perfect for daily use. And don't forget, this journal is available on Amazon, and the link is in the description below. It's super easy to order and have it delivered straight to your doorstep. The product link is right in the description below, so make sure to check it out. This weekly diet and exercise journal is ideal for anyone looking to start their health journey in a mindful, organized way, build consistency in meal planning and exercise, reflect on their progress week by week to stay motivated. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting out, this journal is your perfect companion. Thank you so much for watching. If you're ready to take charge of your health and stay on top of your diet and exercise, grab your weekly diet and exercise journal now. It's available on Amazon and the product link is in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Let me know in the comments what features you love the most about this planner. See you next time.